sa panalo. Madamong salamat, Bingo Plus sa Bingo Plus. Bingo sa saya, plus sa panalo. Welcome to Miss Mahal Master 2024. This is the Festival Costume Competition. and gentlemen, let's meet our distinguished panel of judges. Our first judge is a seasoned commercial and running model who has been in the industry since she was 30 years of age. She is an advocate for ocean hero conservation and is currently working as an entrepreneur. She was first runner-up of Miss Cosmo World 2022 and was the first ever Uzbek queen to compete at Miss Grand International 2023, where she made it in the top 20. Let's welcome on stage Amalia Shakirova. Ladies and gentlemen, our next judge is a multi-Grand Slam awardee for Best in Costume Designer for Yin and Yang Festival on both local and national stages. He is a member of the Designers Guild of Iloilo and the owner of Diseño Artículo. He has created award-winning designs for multiple pageant kings and queens. Let's give it up for the designer behind Miss Universe Philippines 2024, Iloilo's iconic national costume, Mr. Pata Las Pinuela. Our final judge and the chairman of the board of judges is a model and influencer. She finished as a top 10 finalist during Miss Universe Philippines 2022. She won Best in National Costume featuring the Bacolod Mascaras Festival, designed by Chia Christopherson on an international competition. She's no other than your Miss Echo International 2024 first runner-up, Miss Chantal Elise Smith. Gentlemen, sa naman palakpakan nato ng aton mga hurado subong kahapon. My personal favorite, of course, is from Iloilo City, the one responsible for the very iconic Otto Festival costume, the one and the only Tata Blas Pinuela. Thank you for crossing over. And the rest of the ladies, welcome to Bacolod City, the city of smiles. Happy Mascara Festival. For this round, our candidates will be judged according to the following criteria: carriage 10%, and interpretation 10%. Of course, we will also be giving out a special award or recognition for our designers, and their designs will be judged according to the following areas of competition: construction 50%, and overall concept of the design, that is also 50%. This will not affect the total score of our candidates, but the designer garnering the highest score for this criteria of competition will be bringing home the coveted Best Festival Costume Designer Award for Miss Bacolod Mascara 2024. So naman palakpakan natin ang ating mga designers. Now, Bacolod Nons, have no fear because the superheroes of Super City Bacolod are here. Guardians of the suturized infrastructures and major projects of the Super City Bacolod. So, without further ado, here are your 15 Super Bacolods or Super Bacoletas in their festival costume competition.
history, inspired by the Sultanized Mascara Museum, with an easel as my weapon and a handcrafted painting as my shield. I embody the creative soul to protect our city's legacy.
And sustainable tourism, and I rise from the heart of what common cities effort require. My costume is a reminder that we all share a common responsibility to protect Mother Nature.
with a loud voice and the courage to speak the truth and to tell the state of the city through the program Isugid Kay Mayor. My costume symbolizes a leader who listens and takes action, providing hope amid challenges while empowering the community and working together to make Bacolod a sustainable super city.
Everyone will know my name. I am Captain Coliseum, a fun and energetic superhero who will soon empower the Filipinos through sports, entertainment, and recreation. This rising mega structure will be a training ground of special talents and extraordinary skills of every Filipino.
I stand as your guardian. I represent Bacolod City's commitment to accessible healthcare through the Backchip Healthcare Card. My gear embodies the collaboration of our government and healthcare agencies with a mission to ensure that no Bacolodnon faces healthcare burdens alone.